Oh, hey Dan. How's it going?
I can't solve this thing. It's been 3 days.
Well, whatever you do, don't look over there.
Why? What? No. What? How can it even? Why would it? Why would it do that? How do you even solve a Rubik's Cube? I don't know. Shoes untied. Rubik's Cube, wherever could it What? 100% completion? How could you even? Great, thank you very much. Doesn't even make sense. Great.
Stop looking at me like that. I'm not gonna hurt
Hello.
you. Hi. I don't know who that is. Do you? So funny.
Hello. Hello.
Hi. I don't know who it is. Do you know?
Hi. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
The budget meeting went well.
Good.
Thanks for your help.
Wanna go out for dinner? Like a date? Would you date me for dinner? Please?
Thanks. But I'm already kind of seeing him, and I don't think he'd approve.
Why would you do this? A2 Brute? This is wonderful. Just wonderful. And the Rubik's Cube. Pineapple! So that's how you did it.